My beautiful daughter, Isabella. You see that Uniben that you are attending? Focus on your education. I don't want you to start associating with all those useless girls. Majority of them are Ron's girls. They go after sugar daddies, breaking homes up and down. Please be very selective of the girls you associate with. And if any old man up to my age or less approaches you to profess love to you, slap them. They are useless men. Men that are old enough to be your grandfather. They will be professing love to you because they want to give you money. Run away from such men. They will destroy your life. Anything concerning you, I don't joke with it at all. If you need any kind of financial assistance, I am more than capable. You know I'm a very wealthy man. So you don't need any sugar daddy or any boyfriend in your life at all. As a matter of fact, avoid men. Avoid men totally. They don't have any good plan for you. No good plans. Focus on your studies. Avoid friends. Be a loner. Don't talk to anybody. As you are in that university, stay on your own. Avoid anything that has to do with men. You know your mother, since she died, I've been the only one taking care of you. And you are my only child. I cannot afford to see you go astray. Just graduate as a lawyer, be called to bar, and make me proud. That is all I want from you, my beautiful daughter Isabella.
Come on, Daddy, you know I'm a very good girl. I'll always be a good girl for you. But I have just one friend though. Her name is Esther. She's a very good girl and I know you're going to like her, okay?
What you will do, bring her to me, okay? By weekend, I will be around. Bring her over by weekend. Let her come and spend the weekend here. Let me use my eyes to look at her. I'm very experienced. When I see a bad girl, I will know. That is when I'm going to decide whether she can remain friends with you or not. Okay? Bring her over to spend the weekend.
Okay, Daddy. Thank you so much. You're the best. See my handsome sugar daddy. My sweetie pie, the only sugar in my tea. Oh baby, you look so good today.
Oh, my sugar pie. When you called me that you were already at the hotel, I had to rush down. You know what I did? I called my daughter to tell her that I have a business meeting all night long with some of my partners, that I will not be coming home tonight, so that I can spend quality time with you, my sugar pie.
Okay, that's so thoughtful of you. But there's something bothering me about this our relationship.
So what exactly could be the problem? Or is it that you need money again? You know money is never a problem in this relationship. So go ahead and tell me, what is the problem?
Okay, you've been dating me for the past 1 year. I don't know your real name. You just tell me to call you Chief Zaddy. Then you insist that you don't want to know my real name. You will just be calling me sugar pie. I mean, what kind of relationship is that? I don't know where you live. I don't know your real names. I don't know anything about you. I don't know where you work. Nothing. We just hang out at this hotel, have sex, and that's all. I mean, I want more. Give me that sense of belonging. Tell me about you. Let me tell you about myself.
Hey, listen carefully. What is going on between us is just transactional. Okay, I'm your sugar daddy, then call me sugar daddy. You're my sugar pie, I call you sugar pie. I don't want anybody to go and start blackmailing me. I don't want that. I don't want you to know anything about me. I don't want to know anything about you. Let us just be having fun. If you continue to ask for my personal details, you will chase me away. I'll start running away from you. Okay, I have a family that respects me. I have a grown-up daughter, almost your age. I want to respect her privacy. Okay, I don't want her to know that I am doing all these kind of things. Please respect my privacy.
Okay, if you insist. I don't want that to ruin our night. Okay, that's not something we should quarrel over. Okay, so yeah, come to mommy.
Wow, I love how you call yourself my mommy, even though my mother died over 40 years ago.
You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man.
Daddy, how are you? My friend has come. She's waiting to meet you.
Okay, your only friend on campus that you told me about. Okay, I'll join you guys shortly, okay?
What is going on here? Why are you both acting funny? Do you guys know each other from anywhere? Is there something you guys are not telling me?
My daughter Isabella, let me just tell you this one straight up, okay? This is not somebody you should be friends with, okay? I have already looked at her and I've already drawn my conclusion. You cannot be friends with this kind of girl. It is not allowed. I will not allow it. It's going to be over my dead body, okay? I'm going to go out now. Before I get back, I want her out of my house. Out of my house.
You think say they wise.
Daddy, but you just barely met her. What is going on here? Esther, talk to me. What's going on here? Do you know my dad from anywhere? I don't know him, but all I know is that I need to start going home now. I need to get out of here, like, right now.
Where is this barman? Bring more bottles.
70 years old man.
Oga, calm down. What is the problem? Tell me what the problem is. You have been drinking and drinking. We came here to talk. You called me that as you come, there's something you want to discuss with me, right? What is the thing? Victor Isibor, you are aware that Isabella is my only child, and I want the best for her. She's in her year 3 studying law at the university. I told her to avoid sugar daddies, avoid anything that has to do with boyfriends, and she should not keep bad company. And she told me that she has only one friend at school. I insisted on meeting that her friend. Guess who her friend is?
Chief, you know I'm not good at guessing. So if you want to talk to me, just go straight to the point.
One of my side chicks. One of my side chicks is her best friend. Can you imagine?
He shock you.
I'm so disappointed. I am so disappointed.
Oh yes, you should be. You should be very disappointed. Remember the saying, show me your friend, I will tell you who you are. And in this case, this girl is not only your daughter's friend. According to you, she's your daughter's only friend. So it is safe for me to say she's your daughter's best friend. It is safe for me to say birds of a feather, they flock together. So as this our friend has you as a sugar daddy, I am 100% sure that your daughter also has her own sugar daddy.
Jesus! Jesus!
I pray the day comes when I lay my hands on that filthy, useless old man that is ravishing my daughter. I will teach him a lesson he will not forget in a hurry.
You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man.
Chief, calm down. The girl that you are dating, she fell from the sky, right? She does not have a father. It has gotten to your turn now. You cannot tolerate it. You can't even imagine it. You want to lay your hands on the man. So look at kettle, calling pot black. Don't you know that in this life, what goes around comes around? You see, you are dating someone's daughter. A girl young enough to be your grandchild. You are dating her. You are happy. Not knowing that somebody else, who might even be older than you, is also dating your own daughter. Equation balance.
Wetin be this? Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus, see my head, they go in.